So now that I still have that video in my folders, which is right there, basically I just go over to my Instagram. I'm going to go right into Instagram and add a reel. I'm going to tap on that video that is in my camera roll and hit next.
Stop getting eaten alive. If your summer's been
So a lot of times what I'll do is I won't put my text hook in CapCut, but I will put it here. So I'll say something like, this one's for my bug zapper. Don't let mosquitoes ruin your summer. Do this. All right, so we'll hit done. I'm going to just put that up there, center it, and got that blue line shows it centered.
That's when I found this little...
Okay, I may want to add music,
4,500
whatever I want to this.
Solar powered,
keep it very low. You would do that just by hitting the music button here. Anything that you add
ears
to this will make it more Instagram-like.
So when I was searching for light, you'll ever get one that was solar powered.
It'll make
it has
more
basically collects the energy all day. Instagram will run all night long.
It may help with algorithm
on that pattern.
It may not. I try and add a little something.
Also power up using USB.
So I'm going to go to next. And then this is where and why I use Instagram is because if I'm using a caption, and I'm going to use a pre-made one that I have in my boards app, I tap on that caption there. And you can see I have it all spaced out just the way I want it with my hashtags at the bottom. Now I had these already pre-made, ready to go. Now, if you were to do this in Facebook, you wouldn't have those line breaks in there. It would look something like this. It even doesn't create space there for you. It would look more like that instead on Facebook. So I use Instagram for that one reason. I don't promote my Instagram. I have a terrible following on Instagram. I'm lucky if I have over 600 followers, but that's what I do. And that's why. Because I get line breaks. So then once that's done, I'll edit my cover. I might check preview, see how it looks. And then I will make sure that it's going to post to Facebook. Now, I was having some difficulties earlier signing into my Instagram. It wasn't coming up, but it did allow me to go into post. So usually you go to post, Facebook here, you click it, it would be on, and it would then share directly to Facebook. So if that's what you're after, make sure that that is checked. From Instagram, you don't usually want to share them to your story. It makes it easy for a story, but it's also not a story-based post. It's a real post. So it's not the best. But if you want to, you can also send it to your story there as well. From here, you can also go into schedule this reel. I can schedule it for, say, tomorrow at 6:55 a.m. And I'm done. Then I just go in here, and I keep getting the error pop up. But I just go down and hit schedule. If this error would get out of my way, there's something going on with Instagram right now. I can either save that or schedule, and it will schedule it for that next time. So in this case, I'm just going to hit save draft, save it for later. So now I've posted to TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.